Hello friends, good morning. So today I am doing kind of a mishmash vlog. Like, our room is a disaster. So basically just like spring cleaning, updating you guys on stuff, and just seeing where the day takes us. So I figured I would start off with showing you guys what I'm doing. So our room has definitely been in worse shape, but it's not in great shape. It's a little bit crazy. This is laid out because I have to do laundry. That's clean. That I need to do a haul for. That is garbage. And then here there's just a bunch more clothes, and there's a lot going on. And this has been on my wall for hundreds of years, what it feels like, but it's finally been replaced by this beautiful frame. Let me get out of it. This is the stars in the sky in Acapulco when we got engaged. So this is beautiful, and I'm gonna talk to you about that now. Hi guys, so I actually just wanted to talk about Mapiful a little bit more in detail. They actually sent me the beautiful frame that is now being hung up in my room, and they have all these different types of ways to commemorate special moments in your life. So they have a couple main different types of maps, so you can choose either like a city map location, you can choose an astrological sign, or you can choose the one that I did, which was the the star alignments in the sky at any point in time. So you can choose something like the day you graduated, the day you met your special someone, the day your child was born, anything like that. What I chose to do was the day and time that I got engaged. So we were actually in Acapulco, so I got the sky at that point in time put on our wall, which is something so special to us, and we'll have it forever. So not only do they have that, they also have a bunch of different types of frames you can choose from as well. And shipping was so fast, so quick, so simple. I cannot recommend them more. It was absolutely amazing to have them, to have worked with them. This is not sponsored, but they did send me it for free, but I genuinely loved it so much. I was honestly a little bit sick of the Marilyn Monroe that I had on my wall for probably like 10 years. So it was definitely a great change, but their link will be down below. Once again, it is Mapiful, and so you can either find them on Instagram, online, and you guys can order directly through them. So Brandon's just hanging out. We're actually on vacation this week, so we're chilling, and like it's Thursday, so we figured might as well be productive now. So I'm gonna put you guys here. I don't know how seriously you guys take separating your laundry, but I actually kind of do. So I actually only have 2 bundles. Usually I let my laundry go way further, and then I have to do like 4. But this is good. Good start. Alright, so it's gotta get worse before it gets better, I guess. Those are my bathing suits and stuff, which are gonna go back in this box, but I had a bunch of summer stuff that I have to take out soon. So those are my shorts that I need to arrange. I'm going to be putting these blankets and that hoodie into this bag just so it takes up less space. And those are vacuum seal bags that I need to re-vacuum. And I'm gonna get rid of some stuff. So far that's my get rid of pile. And that's garbage pile. We're going somewhere. Okay, so vacuum seal bags are done, garbage out of the way, bikinis are put away, we're feeling good. Mila's mad because of the vacuum, she hates it, but now we're gonna bring those down into the basement, bring this down for the laundry, and then I'm gonna do a quick vacuum, even though we'll probably have to do it again once I'm actually done. I just finished a workout. This is unrelated to the vlog, but I didn't update you guys on the cleanup. We have little Mila here. Why are you not focusing? There we go. We have little Mila here. Bed is not made, but desk is still messy. Okay, but all the floor area with all the stuff is gone. Hello, Brandon. My makeup table is clean. This had a bunch of stuff near the ground. That is all clean. I tied it up there. Brandon, before his closet actually didn't close because the basket had to stick out because there was a bunch of stuff. But we cleared all that. So now the room is much better than it was. I know there was a bit of an abrupt end. I actually forgot to film an outro as well. Sorry. But thank you guys so much for watching. It was actually so nice to get a nice clean in. Something about springtime makes it so much easier to kind of like let go of things that maybe you've been holding on to for so long and switching up your space. So once again, if you want to check out Mapiful and add some brand new special artwork that's custom to you, you can check them out in the link down below or on their website. Bye! Also, subscribe for more videos of me, hit the notification bell, and like this video to help me out. Thanks!